We have a 2019 Ford Edge. Ford Escapes are similar. We're going to go ahead and reset the oil change reminder light. We're going to go over here, hit the start stop button so the dash will illuminate. Once everything come up, over here on the left hand side of the steering wheel, we're going to use the OK, up, down, left and right arrows. So now there's some messages there, so we're just going to press OK until it comes back to the standard menu. We're going to go over here on the left hand side, press over. We're going to go down to, well, let's do settings. And then we're going to go into vehicle. We'll press OK. And then we're going to go oil life reset. We can press over or we can press, so we can press over or OK. And then it says hold OK to reset. So we're going to press and hold. It's resetting. 100%. Perfect. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.